Hello friends, welcome back. Let's learn today how to draw Yoriichi and Kokushibo from Demon Slayer. Let's begin with an outline. Let me tell you some interesting facts on these characters. Kokushibo is incredibly strong and a skilled swordsman. Yoriichi is the strongest demon slayer in history, is widely regarded as being superior.
Hi guys, now we are done with dark outlining, so let's do the basic coloring and see how it looks like.
coloring, I am using brush pens. So we'll try to give you an honest review at end of my coloring, so stay tuned.
Now let's take our drawing level and try these Newton's brush pens.
Yoriichi has a fair skin, maroon eyes, and long, spiky, red-tipped hair. Kokushibo's most striking feature is his eyes, which include 3 sets on his face. His irises are yellow in color. Let's use all these info to give a perfect color to our masterpiece. Who do you think is the most powerful among them? Yoriichi's physical prowess is said to be unmatched among demon slayers, even in his later years. Yoriichi's mastery of breathing techniques and combat was unparalleled, allowing him to outmaneuver and defeat Kokushibo despite his age. While Kokushibo is a powerful demon with immense strength and speed, he has been shown to be outmatched by Yoriichi's skill and strength.
Okay, so now we are done with our coloring. Now let's take our drawing to artist level and try these Newton's brush pens.
I liked it as I could quickly complete my coloring, because these brush pens color spreads easily. I liked its vibrant colors too. I would recommend them if you are using it to color large drawing. So it's a thumbs up, 4 on 5 from my end. Hope you liked my drawing. If yes, do give a like and subscribe to PC Art Channel for more learning tutorials. See you soon. Till then, adios.